let's take a closer look to fractions, decimals, and money. Okay, so let's think about dollars as ones, dimes as tenths, because 10 dimes make $1, and pennies as hundredths, because 100 pennies make $1, 10 pennies make a tenth. So here I have a dollar amount, or amount of money here. So let's see if we can show this amount, write it out as dollars and cents, and then we're going to write it out as decimals. So first let's count to see what we have. So it looks like I have $1 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3 cents. $1.53. So let's put that in a hundreds chart. I have $1, I have 5 dimes, and I have 3 pennies. So I can write that as $1.53, like that, or 1 53/100ths of a dollar. Let's transfer that over. If my dollars are my ones, that means I have 1 1, I have 5 tenths, and I have 3 hundredths. So I can also write this as 1 53/100ths. Okay, this equals altogether, if I was going to trade all these in, $1.53 is 153 cents. 153 cents, which is the same as 153 pennies. Okay, I can use 153 pennies to make the same amount as $1.53. Okay, so same way that this works, 101 53/100ths is the same as 153 hundredths. 153 hundredths would take to make 1 53/100ths. Okay, let's practice showing some decimal amounts of money in a decimal model. So let's get some money here. All right. So here I have 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies. 3 dimes, 2 nickels, 3 pennies. So the first thing I want to do is we'll find out how much money do we have here. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I have 43 cents. 43 cents. Well, let's see if we can fill out this 100 grid to show 43 cents. But like we said, 43 cents is the same as 43 hundredths. So I'm going to fill out 43 hundredths of my hundreds grid. So I could count out 43, 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. 43 hundredths. So I can write that money amount as 43 hundredths or 43 hundredths, like this. Okay, I also could have just filled out my 100 chart one coin at a time. Here's a dime, that's 1/10. Let's fill in a tenth. Then we had another dime, another tenth, another dime, another tenth, and one more dime. Oh no, we only had 3 dimes. Then we had a nickel. That's 5 hundredths, 5 cents. Then we had another nickel. That's another 5 cents, 5 hundredths. And then we had 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. Either way, you see we have 43 hundredths. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 hundredths shaded in. 43 hundredths, or as a decimal, 43 hundredths, or as dollars and cents, 43 cents. Let's try a dollar amount. Same thing. Let's do a dollar. And there we go. I have a dollar, 2 dimes, and a penny. So this is $1, 10, 20, 21. $1.21. So I can write this as $1.21, and I can fill it in on my hundredths chart. Let's get rid of my 43s. I'm going to leave that because we're going to do a whole dollar. So that's going to be this whole one filled in one hole and 21 cents. 10, 20, one more. So I can write this as a mixed number. Let's turn it this way. Write this as a mixed number of 1 and 21 100ths, or 1 and 21 100ths, or as dollars and cents, $1 and 21 cents. $1.21. All right, so today in your Kami pages, you're going to be given some money amounts. You need to add up the money, and then you're going to write it out as a money amount. So the first one is going to be a money amount. The next one is going to be a fraction or a mixed number. And the last one is going to be a decimal. Okay, so for each of those, make sure you're following and getting all 3 types to write it as. Okay, same thing down here. Write as a money amount and then as a decimal when you're given the fraction. As you move down the page, again, you're going to be doing the same thing, counting the amount, a money amount, a fraction amount, a decimal amount. Given the fraction, write a money amount and a decimal amount. And then here you're given how many quarters, dimes, and pennies, or dimes, nickels, and pennies you have. You're going to write the money amount, the fraction amount, and the decimal amount.